about the coordinates. When you move it left and right, what did it change? When you move your coordinates left and right, it changes the x. Yeah. If I move it up and down, what does it change? The y. Yeah. So when I'm moving stuff and it says right, is that a plus or a minus? If I'm moving it to the right?
That's plus.
Yeah, because the numbers get bigger if I go to the right. If it's a minus, I'm going to the left. If I'm going up, is that going to be a plus or minus? A plus, because numbers are bigger to the up. If I'm moving down, that's going to be a minus. Yeah. So all the translation is, did your guys' shapes like change size or look rotated or anything, or do they look the same? They look the same. So all the translation is a slide. We just move it. We don't change its shape. We don't change its size. It doesn't look any different. It's just moved. Okay? How we write that, each coordinate comes in x, y. That's how our coordinates look like, right? So when I move it, there's this kind of formula thing. We go x plus h, y plus k. What the h and k mean are those things we just talked about, the left, right, and up, down. With the x, you said that's my left, right. So the x is shifting left or right. The k is our up, down. So when the y moves, that's shifting up and down. So far, are we okay? Okay. So let's look at number 5. We got these vertices I already drew for you. Then it tells me my rule. It says take your coordinate, add 7 to your x, and subtract 4 from your y. What's that going to look like? Am I going left or right?
You going right.
I'm going right because it's a plus 7. So I'm going to go right, how much? 7. What's the y minus 4 look like? What's happening there? Down 4. Good. So all you're going to do is take each point and go right 7, down 4. Let's take each point, right 7, and down 4. We put this little apostrophe thing next to the letters to show that it's the same shape, we've just moved it. That's kind of like the new sign.
Bingo.
You got it all?
Here.
My phone.
Last night. That's not too bad.
So if you look at your shape, I kind of messed it up, but that's okay. It looks the same, right? No size has changed. The shape, it hasn't turned into a triangle or something. It looks the exact same squarey. Okay? When it asks for the new coordinates, the new vertices, there's a couple things you can do. I personally like to do both. Let's, for example, look at C. The old coordinate, it says, is negative 6, 7. Well, in my rule, it says I should plus 7 to the x and subtract 4 from the y. If I do that, what is negative 6 plus 7?
1.
1. What is 7 minus 4? 3. So if I look, 1, 3, I should have a point there. Okay, so 1, 3 has to be my new coordinate for C. I personally like to do the math because my math looks better than my pictures. I rely on my math more. If you just want to copy and say, okay, D is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, and you just trust that, that's fine. I personally like to do the math part. Awesome if you double check. So D's coordinates should be, was I right when I said 5-1? 5-2. See, I missed my dot. That's why I don't rely on it. How about E's coordinates? What should that look like? 4, -2. And how about F's coordinates?
-1, 0.
Other way around.
Oh, 0,
There you go. Any questions there? Okay. If I look at number 6 and I look at my x minus 2, does that mean I should go left or right? Left. Left how much? 2. Am I going up or down? Down how much? 3. So move each dot down 2. Or I'm sorry, left 2, down 3. So when it comes to the math stuff, my coordinates, if I look at R, what should I do with my x1 to get my new coordinate? With this 1, what should I do to get my new coordinate? Subtract 2. What do I get when I subtract 2? 1 minus 2 is -1. Good. What should I do to my y1? -3. Yeah, 1 minus 3 is -2. So I look -1, -2. I should be good there. Using the same knowledge, what should my S be? My S coordinate? 2 and
4.
4. Good. How about my T? 6 and
-4.
-4. Good. -4. Okay, questions on 5 or 6? Can we skip down to 8? Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If I look at number 8, and I look at my rule x plus 4y, what's that look like? Right 4? Am I going up or down or anything? No, my y stays the same. So the only thing I'm doing is moving each coordinate to the right 4. Go ahead, draw your pick.
Oh yeah.
For my coordinates, what sort of math do I have to do? Plus 4 to what? X. What do I do with my y?
Nothing.
Just leave it. Yeah. So my first one, if I add 4 to -7, I get -3. And then just leave your 2. Don't do anything with your y. Just copy it down. What should be? 0. And then my y is 4. Good. How about C? 4, -2. And how about D? 1, -4. Okay. How we feel? Awesome.